what progress looks like in a mindfulness practice. If you've been doing any of these protocols for a while and you're wondering if anything has actually shifted, it's because you don't know what to look for. Your healing might not be linear, but the steps to bringing that gap, reducing reactivity is quite linear. So, step one, the baseline is you have no idea what just happened. You reacted, you blurted, you snapped, you spiraled, you're fully in it, completely swept, zero gap, there is no time. This is where everybody starts. All of us start here. Then comes the next step, which is we find out days later. You're lying in bed and suddenly at midnight your mind is like, oh, wait a minute, why did I respond that day? What came in through my sense door and how my nervous system just ran the whole program. In this step, we are doing archaeology. We are going back and trying to excavate, have reflection. This is the beginning of that gap. Then we catch ourselves right after. The dust settles immediately, within minutes. We know exactly what happened. We know we snapped. You actually start seeing the whole chain and you repair faster. This is huge progress. Only after this comes step 4, which is you catch yourself in the middle of it. Literally mid-sentence, mid-reaction, something in you goes, wait. You stop. You might still be activated, but you interrupt. This interruption is the gap becoming real for the first time. It's available to you in your body. It's not just in your mind anymore. You are able to stop. And then comes step 5, where you catch yourself before you start reacting. This is the Sherlock Holmes moment where everything starts slowing down. You are clear, hyper clarity. You're clocking in all the details that other people are missing out entirely. This is not fiction. This is what a trained nervous system actually feels like. Time bends. You have so much space. You can take 3 full breaths. And then you're no longer rushed. You're not blurting. You're not reacting. That sense of urgency that used to run everything before has now loosened its grip. This is where the impulsive behavior stops. This is not through willpower, but through awareness that arrives early enough for it to actually matter. You're not trying to become someone who never gets triggered, but we're simply becoming more and more aware. We're building that gap. The gap becomes wider. There is time. The gap becomes your default. And that is how you gauge progress.